How to create Facebook business page. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up Facebook on your device. Now at the top right corner, tap on the three lines. Now scroll down. Now on the menu page, simply tap on Pages. Now tap on Create. Now simply tap on Get Started. Now enter your page name. Now tap on Next. Now select your category. You can also search for your category. Now tap on Create. Now wait for some time. Now choose your business goals and tap on Continue. Now upload the business profile picture and cover page and tap on Next once you're done. Again tap on Next. Now tap on Done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.